Hi everyone, it's Nicolette here from AIVS. If you and your partner are already in Australia and you want to stay together while you're applying for your partner visa, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to be breaking down the Onshore partner visa. That's the subclass 820 and 801 in simple steps so you can understand exactly how it works. And if you're not sure on which visa you should apply for, I've got a separate video covering the different types of partner visas. You'll find that in the link in the description below. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing some insider tips about onshore visas. Let's dive in. The onshore partner visa, so subclass 820, which is temporary, and the 801, which is permanent, allows the partner of an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or an eligible New Zealand citizen to stay in Australia while their visa is being processed. It's called onshore because you must be in Australia when you apply for this visa. This pathway is perfect for couples who are already together in Australia, hold a visa that allows them to apply onshore with a no further stay condition, want the security of a bridging visa so they can keep living and working in Australia while waiting for a decision. To apply, you'll need to show that you're in a genuine and ongoing relationship, either married or de facto. Your partner is an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or an eligible New Zealand citizen. You both meet the character and health requirements. If you're in a de facto relationship, you've usually lived together for at least 12 months, unless you registered your relationship or there are compelling reasons for not doing so. The onshore partner visa happens in two stages. So stage 1, subclass 820 temporary partner visa. Once you've lodged your visa, you'll generally receive a bridging visa that allows you to stay lawfully in Australia while your application is being processed. In most cases, this comes with full work rights, access to Medicare, and study options. But always double check your individual bridging visa conditions in vivo just to be sure. In stage 2, subclass 801, permanent partner visa, this is usually assessed around 2 years from the date of your initial applications being lodged. To get this stage approved, you'll need to show your relationship is continuing and genuine. Once granted, you'll become a permanent resident. Okay, here's how the onshore partner visa works. First, create an IMI account on the Department of Home Affairs website. That's where you'll lodge everything and keep track of your progress. Next, fill out the applicant's application form and upload all your visa documents. Then, pay the visa fee and submit your application. Once you do, you'll get a transaction reference number or TRN. Then once this is completed, your partner will then need to log in and complete the sponsorship form and upload their supporting documents using that TRN number from the first application. Once you've lodged everything, you'll usually become eligible for a bridging visa, which lets you stay lawfully in Australia while your partner visa is being processed. Most applicants will receive a bridging visa A. That's if you applied holding a valid visa, like a student, working holiday, tourist visa. But if your previous visa has already expired, or you're applying while on another bridging visa, you may be instead granted a bridging visa C. Both allow you to remain in Australia while waiting for the partner visa. But your work rights and travel permission can vary, so it's important to check your visa grant letter carefully. And remember, your bridging visa only comes into effect after your current visa expires. So if you're still on another visa, you'll still stay in Australia until that visa runs out. If you need to travel overseas, you must apply for a bridging visa B. If you leave Australia without a bridging visa B, your bridging visa A will automatically end, meaning you can't come back on it. Processing times can vary. It's often around 2 to 4 years from start to finish, but it depends on the completeness of your application and the complexity of your case. And as promised, here are a few things about the onshore partner visa that not everyone knows. First, if you're currently without a valid visa or on a bridging visa E, you might not meet Schedule 3 requirements. So it's really important to get advice before applying. I have a separate video on Schedule 3, so make sure you watch this if it applies to you. Second, Australian and overseas police and health clearances are usually only valid for 12 months. If processing drags on, you may need to provide updated ones before a decision is made. Third, during the processing of your visa application, the department may write to you requesting additional information. If you receive such a request, be sure to respond within the time frame specified, so around 28 days. Failure to respond can result in your application being refused. 4. Keep your IMI account updated every few months, so every 2 to 3 months. Upload new photos, messages, joint commitments like leases, travel bookings. It really shows that your relationship is still growing. And honestly, there are a lot more things you can do to make your application smoother. And that's exactly what I'm here for. And that's the Onshore Partner Visa. Subclass 820 and 801 explained. If this has helped you clear things up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more visa breakdowns and practical tips. And just like the Offshore Partner Visa, I offer a partner visa review service where I personally look through your application before you submit it to make sure you haven't missed anything important. It's a great way to feel confident about your application without huge consultancy cost. You can book through the inquiry form in the description below. And of course, if you'd like to talk through your personal situation, you can book a free 15-minute consultation with me and the team at AIVS. You're not alone in this, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.